Hey guys, welcome to Dolph Stack, and today I will be showing you how to hide the tags on Instagram. So, to do this process, first thing is of course go to your Instagram application into your device. Now, once you are here on the Instagram application, you just simply go ahead and select your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now, guys, to hide tags on Instagram, just simply go ahead and tap on the tags icon over here on the profile. I should be able to see all of the posts that have a tag on you. So I have a sample post over here that I have tagged. Now, in order for you to hide the tags on the Instagram, select manage at the top right corner of the screen and simply select the post, and you will have an option over here down below hide. So if you hide it, your tag will be still on the post, but if you remove it, your tag will be removed from the post. So let's go ahead and tap on the hide, and from here, as you can see, hide tag post. From here, as you can see, just like what I said, you still be tagged in this post, but it won't be appearing in your profile anymore. So tap on hide over here, and after that, you will no longer have the post into your profile. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.